Hi friends, welcome back our channel. Today I want to discuss about simple interest problems. Already we have discussed about simple interest introductions. Today we will see some problems by using these formulas. Simple interest equal to PTR by 100. Amount equal to P1 plus TR by 100. These formulas are very useful to solve fastly while you are preparing any bank exam or CAT exams. These methods are very useful to save time. First let's see example 1. Given data is principal P equal to 2000. Rate of interest 10% per annum. T equal to 2 years. Simple interest equal to question mark means our target to find simple interest. Okay. Here yearly 10%. For 2 years 20% means yearly 10%. For 2 years 20%. Okay. First we will see formula method. What is the formula for simple interest? SI equal to PT by 100. Instead of P, substitute 2000. Into instead of T, substitute 2 years. Instead of R, substitute rate of interest means 10% per annum divided by 100. SI equal to. So 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. SI equal to 200 into 2. Simple interest SI equal to 200. 2 are how much? 400. Now come to the percentage method. A equal to P plus I. Okay. So here principal. So 100% equal to 2000 because always principal amount should be taken as 100%. Equal to how much? 2000. Here we need to calculate 2 years interest. So here yearly 10%. For 2 years 20%. Question mark. So now do cross multiplications. 20% into 2000 equal to 100% x. Okay. Here percent cancel. 0 0 cancel. One more 0 cancel. 2 into 200 equal to x. 200 2s are how much? 400. Finally x equal to 400. So here if you observe both methods, answer is same. Okay. Answer is same. You have to follow any method, but which method is taken less time while writing any competitive exams. Problem. Here given data is P equal to X means our target to find out principal. R equal to rate of percent 10%. T equal to 2 years. Simple interest 400 means interest. Okay. Now we will see problems how to solve. What is the formula for simple interest? SI equal to PTR by 100. So instead of simple interest, substitute 400. Our target to find out principals. Write X instead of P. Time duration how much? 2 years. Rate of interest 10% per annum. 10%. 100. So 400 into 100 equal to 2x into 10. So 0 to 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10. So finally 400 into 5 x. 500, 500, 5 4 ja 20. X equal to 2000. Now we will go to the percentage method. Okay. A equal to P plus I. So here always principal amount should be taken as 100%, means our target to find out principal 100% equal to question mark. Here yearly 10%. We need to calculate 2 years, that is 20%. So 20% how much? 400. So 20% means interest. Already in given data we have 400. Now cross multiply. 20% into X equal to 100% into 400. Okay. Here percent cancel. 0 cancel. So finally 2x equal to 10 into 400. 2 5 are 10. X equal to 400 into 5. X equal to 2000. Here also both methods answer is same. Now we will see third problem. Okay. Here given data is amount equal to 2400, R equal to 10% per annum, T equal to 2 years. Our target to find out principal. This problem is totally different by comparing with before problems. Okay. Here what is the formula for amount? Means our target to find out principal. So that's why what is the formula for amount? A equal to P into 1 plus TR by 100. Instead of A, substitute 2400. Our target to find out principal. P 1 plus time duration 2 years. Rate of interest 10% divided by 100. Okay. Here 2400 P 1 plus 0 to 0 cancel, 2 5s are 1 by 5. 2400 equal to P, 5 plus 1 6, 6 by 5. 2400 into 5 P into 6. Okay. Here 6 4s are 24. So remaining is 400 into 5 equal to P. 500, 500, 5 4s are 20. So finally principal is 2000. Now we will see percentage method. A equal to P plus I. Here always principal amount should be taken as 100% plus interest, means 10% per year. Okay. For 2 years 20%. Means amount equal to 120%. 120% equal to 2400. Now always principal amount should be taken as 100%. So we need to calculate 100%. So now do cross multiply. 120, here percent cancel. 120 into X equal to 100 into 2400. Okay, 0 to 0 cancel. Remaining is 12x and 10 into 2400. 12 twos are how much? 24. X equal to 10 into 200. 200 into 10 how much? 2000. So finally answer is same for both methods. Thank you friends.